The Maldives. When it comes to beautiful island countries, Maldives will be considered as the most beautiful and spectacular island country on the planet. Maldives is a South Asian island nation with breathtaking scenery, relaxing beaches, and a chain of immaculate islands. Maldives, located between Sri Lanka and India, offers many opportunities to not only enjoy its beaches, but also participate in a variety of water activities and adventures on the different islands. Millions of tourists visit this beautiful country every year. This country covers an area of approximately 90,000 square kilometers. However, only 298 kilometers of that is land, which is less than the size of Munich. The Maldives have a 650-kilometer-long coastline. The Maldives is an Indian Ocean island nation. It is made up of several atolls, totaling 1196 islands, and is located on the Asian continent. The island chain stretches for more than 871 kilometers to the southwest of India and Sri Lanka. The islands span 650 kilometers of coastline and are divided into 26 atolls with coral beaches. Only 220 of the 1196 islands are inhabited by Maldivians. 87 additional islands are used for tourism. The Maldives is a South Asian island nation with breathtaking scenery, relaxing beaches, and a string of immaculate islands. The Maldives, located between Sri Lanka and India, provides numerous opportunities to not only enjoy its beaches, but also participate in a variety of water activities and adventures on the various islands. Maldives is the world's lowest country, with maximum and mean natural ground levels of only 2.4 meters, 7 feet 10 in, and 1.5 meters, 4 feet 11 in, respectively above sea level. However, in areas where construction is taking place, it has been raised to several meters. more than 80% of the land in the country is made up of coral islands that rise less than a meter above sea level. As a result, the Maldives is in grave danger of being submerged by rising sea levels. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has warned that if current rates of sea level rise continue, the Maldives will be uninhabitable by 2100. The Maldives, with its dream white beaches and palm groves, turquoise lagoons, and breathtaking and diverse underwater world, invites you to stay for an unforgettable experience. The islands are wonders of peace and beauty, and the country's natural landscape will astound you. The average high temperature in Maldives is 31.5 degrees Celsius, and the average low temperature is 26.4 degrees Celsius. The Maldives' tropical climate is hot and humid, with temperatures rarely falling below 25 degrees Celsius. While water temperatures are mild all year, the lowest average temperature on land is 25.5 degrees Celsius, and the highest is 30.4 degrees Celsius. Because the Maldives has no seasons, the northeast monsoon affects the climate from November to April, and the southwest monsoon affects the climate from May to October. North Male Atoll is one of the Maldives' two largest atolls. Male Island, the capital of Male, the international airport on Hulul Island, and several major tourist islands comprise it. Adu Atoll, which is home to the former British Air Force base of Gan, is another major atoll. The islands are divided into local islands, where Maldivians live, and resort islands, where tourists stay. The Maldives landscape is mostly made up of lagoons and beautiful beaches, with coconut palms and breadfruit trees dominating the landscape, and a forest with 250 plant species that is home to many animals. Because only a few animals live on land, much of the Maldives' fascinating biodiversity can be discovered in the air or underwater. On the islands, 113 different bird species have been spotted, including the Alexandrine parrot and several herons. Over 2,000 species of large animals, including trumpetfish, parrotfish, and whale sharks, as well as various species of sea turtles, live on the Maldives' many coral reefs. The Maldives is made up of 1,192 atolls connected by a jewel chain of 26 atolls that stretches 871 kilometers, 541 miles, north to south, and 130 kilometers, 81 miles, east to west, covering approximately 90,000 square kilometers. The Maldivian government divided these atolls into 21 administrative divisions for administrative purposes. Ghana is the largest island in the Maldives and is part of the Lamu Atoll, also known as Hadamadi, Maldives. The westernmost islands of Adu Atoll are linked by roads on the reef, collectively known as the Link Road, with a total length of 14 kilometers, 9 miles. According to the Köppen climate classification, the Maldives has a tropical monsoon climate, AM, which is influenced by much of South Asia to the north. Because the Maldives has the lowest elevation of any country on the planet, the weather is consistently hot and humid. Internal heating of land and water occurs as a result of the presence of this terrain. These factors combine to cause a surge of moist air from the Indian Ocean over South Asia, resulting in the southwest monsoon. The Maldives has 2 seasons. The dry season, which is associated with the winter northeast monsoon, and the rainy season, which is associated with the southwest monsoon, which brings strong winds and storms. During April and May, the dry northeast monsoon gives way to the moist southwest monsoon. During this time, the southwest winds help to form the southwest monsoon, which arrives in the Maldives in early June and lasts until the end of November. However, the weather in the Maldives does not always correspond to the South Asian monsoon pattern. The north of the Maldives experiences more monsoon influence than the south, which is influenced more by equatorial currents. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this videos, then like it and subscribe this channel for your next dream travel destination videos. And don't forget to press the bell button.